All right, so I'm in my laundry room where I have a big chalkboard and I just erased what was up there, and I'm gonna put I know it's not the kitchen. Oh great Scott, I just broke the chalk. I know it's not the kitchen, but I'm gonna put my menus in on here. And that way I can keep track, because my budget is $25 to $30 a week on food, and I eat quite different. As I'm not really a vegan, I'm not really a vegetarian, but I just like to eat unconventionally, I would say. So for breakfast, I will have protein drinks. So proteins. And that will probably be 5. That's every day during the week. And then on the weekends, I'll just put open choice, because it can be based on leftovers or whatever I prefer. And then lunch, I can do chili. I can do chili 2 times. I can do my hot and here salsa and chips, which I really like, 2 times. And then I'll do 1 meal open. So that gives me a choice of something different. And then dinner, I am making, I just put 3 sweet potatoes in the oven, and they have baked. So I'm going to do sweet potato dishes. So I am going to do 1 stuffed sweet potato. I am going to do sweet potatoes with raisins. Almonds, and I'll blend it up like a pudding or something, with almonds, almond, vanilla flavoring. And then I'll do 1 like a soup. And then I'm going to have 2 open meals. And then on the side, of course, it would be some green, some kind of veggie. I'll say green, with some kind of veggie. So this is the week of 11/2 through 11/8. Yeah. Okay. That's that. See ya.